Hey there, I just wanted to do a quick review of this air purifier that we purchased on Amazon. It's the Levoit Vital 100S model. We've had it for about 6 months and it's been working pretty decent, I think. We keep this air purifier in our living room where we spend most of our time, and it's also where our beagle hangs out. So there's lots of pet hair, there's dander, and all that kind of fun stuff. It's pretty simple to use. You just plug it in, turn it on, and it pretty much does its thing. It does have 4 fan speeds. We generally leave it on the number 2 fan setting. You can also set a timer or configure it on a custom schedule if you want using the app. But with our dog, I really wanted something that could help with pet allergens and hair. And I feel like it's been helping. I haven't noticed that I'm as sneezy, and the room just kind of feels, fresher. The air isn't as stale. It does have an app that you can put on your phone where you can schedule it or see like real-time air quality tests. It's funny because when we're cooking in the kitchen, if we're using something like garlic or if we burn something, we'll notice that the light will turn red or yellow. But I don't use the app too much. I mostly just use the buttons on the top. So it's pretty easy and no brainer. The filter is easy to replace, but honestly, after about 6 months, our filter is still at 85% life left. And you can also wash the pre-filter too. It's pretty quiet, especially on the low setting. Even when you're watching TV, you'd never really hear it. So if you've got pets or just want cleaner air in your living space, I'd say that the Vital 100S is totally worth it. It's worked out great for us so far, and I would expect it to last quite a while. All right, that's it for this one. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps our channel out. If you're into quick, honest reviews, feel free to subscribe and stick around for more. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.